Let's jump right into this explainer. We're looking at how you can take just a basic laptop, pair it with AI, and literally build some incredible online income streams for 2026. No fluff, let's just get into it. So, what if I told you there are folks out there making money while they're literally fast asleep? It sounds like a dream, right? But it's the ultimate passive income setup. You're definitely going to want to stick around until the very end of this explainer, because that number one method we cover, it is currently making creators thousands of dollars every single month. Think about it. No office, no boss breathing down your neck, no crazy expensive setup. The wildest part of this whole new AI economy is that every single one of these side hustles can be fired up right from your living room couch. Things are moving at lightning speed, and AI is unlocking these wildly profitable opportunities today that honestly were pure science fiction just a couple of years ago. Coming in at number 5, AI YouTube channels, and specifically, faceless channels. They're growing faster than ever. Now, what's super interesting here is that specific niches. We're talking finance, motivation, celebrity news, horror stories, even AI facts are absolutely exploding right now. They're pulling in millions of views. And the creators, they're building these highly engaging, super profitable videos without ever once stepping in front of a camera. Let me break down just how surprisingly simple this is to pull off. It's basically like setting up an automated assembly line for viral content. First, you prompt an AI to write out your script. Boom, done. Next, you drop that text into an AI voiceover tool that reads it so naturally you'd swear it was a real person speaking. Finally, AI editing software automatically pulls together all the visuals and edits the final video. And here's where it gets crazy. It all comes down to the number 3. See, some of these faceless channels upload just 3 videos a week, and they are still raking in thousands a month. One single viral hit can trigger this amazing avalanche of ad revenue, affiliate sales, and sponsorships. No fancy camera gear, no studio lighting. You just need solid ideas, a bit of consistency, and, let the AI do all the heavy lifting. Moving right along to number 4, the AI thumbnail business. This is all about selling designs incredibly fast with AI. Okay, so think about it. Every single YouTuber out there needs thumbnails, and there is this massive demand for very specific, highly clickable styles right now. Gaming graphics, finance thumbnails, those exaggerated reaction shots, and of course the classic viral red arrow thumbnails. The big creators are just way too busy churning out videos to sit there and design their own thumbnails, right? So they hire freelancers. And if you're using modern AI image tools, you can whip up these slick, professional graphics in literally minutes. And here is the kicker. Freelancers are out there charging $20, $50, sometimes even $100 for a single thumbnail. Provide a great service, and that one-time client instantly becomes a recurring monthly customer because, well, they're always going to need more content. By juggling just a few different channels, designers are actually pulling down a full-time income entirely through this AI-assisted workflow. Hitting number 3, AI TikTok clip channels. Because let's face it, short videos are just completely dominating the internet. Whether you're scrolling TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, the strategy behind this is just brilliantly straightforward. You take long-form content, think 3-hour podcasts, long interviews, big motivational speeches, and you just feed them right into an AI tool. The AI automatically scrubs through, finds the most engaging moments, and chops them up. It adds the captions, the dynamic zoom effects, the background track, emojis, the whole shebang. You then use these polished clips to rapidly build an audience, which opens the floodgates to lucrative brand deals. I mean, these clips can literally go viral overnight. The real secret sauce here, it's scale. Thanks to that automation, some pages are effortlessly pumping out 10 high-quality clips every single day. And more uploads simply means more chances to strike gold with the algorithm. Once that audience scales into the millions, these creators are absolutely maximizing their earnings through sponsorships, affiliate links, and the platform creator funds. Create once, sell forever. It is almost pure profit. Now, this concept is super powerful, and it actually shifts us away from the fast-paced world of video content and brings us to the absolutely unparalleled scalability of our next hustle. Which brings us to number 2, selling AI digital products. The beauty of this, 0 shipping and 0 inventory. There is this massive variety of digital goods just selling like crazy out there on the marketplaces. We're talking ebooks, resume templates, custom fitness plans, study notes, social media templates, business planners, you name it. And AI is your absolute secret weapon here. It helps you rapidly brainstorm the ideas, design the actual products, and even write the persuasive sales copy for the listings automatically.
Because there's no physical warehouse, no boxes, no shipping labels, the startup cost is practically zero. It's almost pure profit. People are literally launching fully stocked digital storefronts over a single weekend. Just imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing a bunch of sales notifications for something you built months ago.
And finally, the one you've been waiting for. Number 1, AI affiliate marketing. Without a doubt, the biggest opportunity of all.
So if you're not familiar, affiliate marketing simply means recommending products, like a unique finance app, a piece of AI software, or an online course. And you earn a cut, a commission, from every sale that comes through your link. Now, AI fundamentally flips the script on this because it takes over all the grueling work. It'll write those highly optimized blog posts, generate super targeted ad copy, and even craft the entire email campaign you need to drive massive traffic to those affiliate links. It literally buys you back hours of manual work every single day. Every automated sale that rolls in earns your money. We're talking commissions of 20, 50, or even over $100 per single transaction. But here is the absolute best part. If you promote subscription-based software, you can earn recurring monthly payments. That means you use AI to acquire a customer exactly once, and that one customer pays you automatically again and again, month after month. Look, the only things you actually need to start claiming your piece of this new AI economy are an internet connection, a bit of consistency, and a real willingness to learn. You absolutely do not need to be some sort of tech wizard to jump into this. While some folks are totally sleeping on this massive technological shift, others are using it to completely replace their 9-to-5 incomes. The absolute biggest mistake you can make right now, honestly, it's just waiting too long to start. Which leaves us with one final, pretty provocative thought. AI itself isn't going to replace you, but someone using AI definitely might. So which of these 5 side hustles are you going to use to secure your own digital future? I would love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite hustle from today's list. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. If you found this valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the trends shaping our future. Get out there, start building, and I will see you in the next one.